Okay, here you can see the laptop. I'm browsing the web. I change it, let's say, to facebook.com. You see, it's working. I change it back. It's working immediately. You see, the connectivity here is quite good. So now let's go to the tablet. As you can see, there is no connectivity. I'm doing it again. No connectivity. Now I'm going as far as the router. I'm putting near the router, really by the router, and then I'm doing it again. You see now there is the icon of the Wi-Fi is okay, and now it will work, I guess. But it still work really slow, but eventually it will work. You can see now it's okay. This is the distance from the router, as you can see. If I'll take it back, you see now the Wi-Fi is okay. It's really slow, but it's okay. If I'll take it back, the connectivity will disappear. And then let's try to do. Okay. You can see it's not responding. Nothing is going on. It's not responding. It's waiting and waiting, and nothing happens. Let's change it. I'll take it back to the router, and it's supposed to work eventually. Now you can see it changed. Now I'm this far from the router. It's very close. I need to be about 20 centimeters from the routers.